Yeah. Part two here. Let's get these last five problems going. All right, so why don't you try to solve number 6? Boom, you did that. You're like, Bass, I'm starting to get this thing. This thing is looking easy. Let's hit it. All right, so you're like, all right, boom, let me get rid of this 4 plus 4 plus 4. Boom, that makes a 15. That makes a 2 times 3 to the 2x minus 5. And then you're like, oh, snap, we got to get rid of that 2. Multiply by 2, so I'm going to divide. 3 to the 2x minus 5 equals 15 over 2, which is what, 7.5? Did that in my head. I'm really sorry. Okay, so now we're like, okay, well, I got to start to get closer to this x. So this is base 3, so I need to do log base 3. Yak. So I end up with 2x minus 5 equals log base 3 of 7.5, right? And now I'm getting closer. I could do a plus 5. I like that. I could do a plus 5. Oh, and then I'm going to just keep it moving here and divide by 2. Running out of space, but it is going to say x equals log base 3 7.5 plus 5 divided by 2. So let's go ahead and actually put that in our calculators. Why don't you calculate that thing right now if you haven't done it? So first thing I'd be doing is log base 3. Oh, all right, I got to do log 7.5 over log 3. Because I need to figure out what this piece is. So log 7.5, boom, divided by log 3. That equals about 1.83-ish. So I'm going to take that plus the 5, and I end up with 6.834, and I'm going to take that, right? So this top I'm going to do over here was 6.834. And I'm going to take that, and I still have it divided by 2. And I end about 3.417. 3.417. So I apologize, I didn't have a lot of the space, but that should be your final answer. Something really close to that for x, depending on how you rounded things. All right, let's keep it going. Shoot, why don't you just stop right here? And why don't you do 7, 8, 9, and 10. I think you can solve all of those. Cool. You actually tried it. You paused it. You stopped. Let me give myself a little even more space with these last few. Boom, boom. How we looking? Oh, yeah, we got plenty of space. All right, let's solve these. So I'm thinking here, all right, I got the ln of 3x, the natural log of 3x. So how do I get rid of a natural log? What's that word? Exponentiate it. So I go e. Boom, boom. I go e. So I end up with 3x equals, let's make this a little bigger, e squared. Oh, now this is easy. Boom, boom, divide by 3. X equals e squared over 3. You can keep it there. You can figure out what e squared is, because e is just a number. E squared over 3, and let's see. Do I have an e on this calculator? Look at that. Yes, I do. E squared equals about 7.389 divided by 3, which is approximately 2.46. Okay? All right, number 8. Let's see, what did you do? See if it matches. Oh, look at this one. I got a log base 3 equal to a log base 3. If those two things are the same and they're equal, that means this and this must be the same. So 5x minus 1 must be the same as x plus 7. Oh, okay. Minus x, 4x equals plus 1, 8. X equals 2. Easy work if you recognize, oh, these two log to the bases are the same and they're equal, so these two things have to be equal. Boom. Let's move to number 9. You're starting to look at this now. You're like, Bass, this is easy work. I don't even know what's going on here. This is too easy. We too smart for this. Absolutely. I got you. So let's see how smart you are. Did you go minus 5, 2 ln x equals 4 minus 5 is negative 1. Let's go ahead and divide by 2. The natural log of x equals negative 1/2. How do I get rid of the natural log? I exponentiate it with e, boom, boom. So x equals e to the negative 1/2. And I'm going to say you could probably keep it there. If you want to see what that is, approximately e to the negative 0.5. That's about, which is approximately 0.607. Okay. Last one. Okay, let's start to solve this. Let's divide by 2. Trying to get x by itself, so we end up with, what is this? The log base 5, 3x, I don't know why I put it in parentheses, but I did, equals 2. I have to get rid of a log base 5, so I have to exponentiate that thing to the 5th power. Make the base 5, those cancel. 3x equals 5. I gotta exponentiate this side, so 5 becomes my base to the 2nd power. Oh, okay. So 3x equals 25. Divide by 3, divide by 3. X equals whatever 25 divided by 3 is, which is about 8.33. 8.3. Repeating. Boom. That's part 2. Hopefully you did the smart thing and you were like, let me actually practice these so I could be ready. I think y'all got this. We're going to get it in. Good work. I'm out.